20 genius smart cleaning gadgets that will save you time, effort, and keep your home spotless. From high-tech vacuums to self-cleaning innovations, these gadgets are a total game changer. Links to all products are in the video description, so check them out.
Looking for a smart, efficient way to keep your home clean? Meet the Lictru C30B Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This little powerhouse combines precision and power with its intelligent mapping technology and strong suction, effortlessly handling dirt, dust, and pet hair on any floor type. Its slim design allows it to reach tight spaces, and with its smart app control, you can schedule cleanings anytime, anywhere. The world of effortless cleaning with the Abir WD-8 Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner. This innovative gadget is designed to tackle your windows with ease, eliminating dirt and grime without you lifting a finger. With its advanced suction technology and smart navigation system, the WD-8 glides over glass surfaces, ensuring a streak-free shine every time. Meet the Lictru HCR09, your new window cleaning superhero. This intelligent robot effortlessly glides across your glass surfaces, using advanced suction technology to cling securely while its powerful cleaning pads scrub away dirt and grime. With features like real-time navigation and an automatic water spray system, it ensures streak-free results every time. Are you tired of messy soap spills and constant refills? Introducing the Aki Rechargeable Automatic Soap Dispenser. With its sleek design and touchless operation, this dispenser delivers the perfect amount of soap every time, keeping your hands and countertops clean. Simply charge it via USB and enjoy a long-lasting battery life for hassle-free use. Whether it's for your kitchen or bathroom, the Aki dispenser promotes hygiene and convenience, making hand washing a breeze. Are you tired of scrubbing away at stubborn stains in your kitchen? Meet the Xiaomi Household Cleaning Brush's Electric Kitchen Brush. This powerful cleaning tool features an ergonomic design and multiple brush heads, making it perfect for tackling everything from greasy stovetops to dirty dishes. With its high-speed rotating bristles, you can cut your cleaning time in half while achieving a sparkling finish. The Turbojet Fan, your ultimate solution for powerful airflow. With its cutting-edge design and advanced turbo technology, this air blower delivers an astonishing amount of air with incredible efficiency. Whether you're drying off a car, clearing out your garage, or keeping your outdoor space dust-free, the Turbojet Fan tackles it all in no time. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for both home and professional use. Are you ready to upgrade your space with the Joybuzz Smart Sensor Trash Can? This electric trash bin combines modern convenience with hygiene, featuring a built-in smart sensor for hands-free operation. With just a wave of your hand, the lid opens automatically, making it perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and offices. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any room, and the quiet, smooth-closing lid keeps things discreet. Are you tired of the hassle of cleaning windows? Meet the PuraRobo WS9S Window Cleaning Robot. Your ultimate cleaning assistant with smart app control and a convenient remote, this high-tech robot makes window cleaning effortless. Its automatic water spray system ensures streak-free shine, while the powerful electric vacuum technology keeps it securely attached to the glass. Hello to touch-free cleanliness with the Innerhasa Automatic Foaming Soap Dispenser. This sleek, easy-to-use device offers hands-free convenience, perfect for your kitchen or bathroom. Its built-in sensor detects your hands from a distance, automatically dispensing a luxurious foam that lathers beautifully and saves soap. Looking for a hands-free, hygienic way to freshen up your breath? Meet the Automatic Mouthwash Dispenser Bottle. This sleek gadget dispenses the perfect amount of mouthwash with just a wave of your hand. No need to touch or pour. Simply fill the bottle with your favorite mouthwash and the touchless sensor does the rest. Are you tired of juggling between vacuuming and mopping? Get ready for Jonar ED12. Wet Dry Smart Vacuum, your ultimate all-in-one cleaning solution. This powerhouse not only vacuums and mops simultaneously, but also features smart sensor technology to adapt to different floor types for a spotless clean. With its lightweight design, long-lasting battery, and easy self-cleaning system, the Jonar ED12 makes cleaning faster and more effortless than ever. Are you ready to upgrade your cleaning game? Meet the Larisar 6 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, the ultimate blend of power and convenience. With its smart mapping technology, it navigates your home effortlessly, leaving no corner untouched. This cleaning powerhouse features strong suction to tackle dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease, while its mopping function leaves your floors spotless. Plus, the app control lets you schedule and customize your cleaning from anywhere. The Vapamor AMR Asiento Primo. Designed for deep cleaning, this steam cleaner comes with 20 extensions and attachments, including the Turbo Pet tool, making it perfect for tackling pet hair, stains, and odors. With its chemical-free cleaning power, you can sanitize surfaces throughout your home, from floors and upholstery to kitchen appliances. Easy to use and eco-friendly, the Vapamore MR100 Primo is your ultimate solution for a healthier, sparkling, clean home. We're checking out the Hoover Vacuum Cleaner Fabric Washing Machine, a powerful, multifunctional, and portable cleaning solution designed for tackling all kinds of surfaces. This compact machine isn't just a vacuum, it also washes fabrics, making it perfect for everything from carpets and upholstery to car interiors and more. With easy-to-use attachments and strong suction power, it lifts away dirt, stains, and spills, giving you a deep clean every time. The fascinating world of the anti-gravity water drop humidifier, an innovative device that combines sleek design with cutting-edge technology. Imagine a humidifier that levitates water droplets in mid-air, creating a mesmerizing visual experience while effectively adding moisture to your space. Transform your space into a soothing haven with the Mini Train Shape Aromatherapy Diffuser. This ultrasonic cool mist humidifier not only adds a touch of charm with its adorable train design, but also fills your room with the calming aroma of your favorite essential oils. With its LED lamp for a cozy ambiance and whisper quiet operation, it's perfect for relaxation, sleep, or even work. Transform your space into a serene haven with the Aroma Humidifier Flame. Essential Oil Diffuser. This stylish diffuser not only adds moisture to the air, but also fills your room with calming fragrances using your favorite essential oils. Its unique flame design creates a warm ambiance, enhanced by customizable RGB lighting to suit your mood. Perfect for home office or bedtime, it's the ultimate blend of style, wellness, and convenience. We're taking a close look at the Ego Power Plus LB7654 cordless leaf blower, designed to make your yard work effortless. With a powerful 765 cubic feet per minute airflow, this variable speed blower delivers exceptional performance, allowing you to tackle everything from light debris to heavy piles of leaves. Powered by a 56-volt lithium-ion battery, it provides long-lasting runtime, and the included 5.0 amp-hour battery and charger ensure you're ready to go without interruptions. Moving on, the Baseus A5 16000 PA wireless car vacuum cleaner is a game changer for keeping your car interior spotless. With powerful suction and a wireless design cleaning up crumbs, dust and debris has never been easier. It's lightweight, portable, and perfect for those who like to keep their car looking as good as new. Baseus Car Polisher Machine, a wireless electric tool designed to make car waxing and polishing a breeze. With its adjustable speed settings, this cordless auto polisher lets you achieve a professional finish without the hassle of cords. Whether you're looking to remove scratches, add shine, or protect your car's paint with a smooth wax coating, the Baseus Polisher delivers efficiency and convenience.
Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Check out the links in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next tech finds. See you in the next one.